It's dark out. That means it's time to go to sleep. Night-night, Leo, Pip, and Puggy. Uh-oh, Pip doesn't want to go to sleep. Leo loves bedtime. Every night he goes to magical places in his dreams. Maybe tonight Pip can join him in Dreamland. Sweet dreams! All aboard the Dreamland Express! First stop is a world of midnight snacks. Use your imagination to build your own special treat. Ooh, a slide. Where does it go? Amazing! We're swimming in an ocean of stars. Whale says he's on his way up to a party. Can we come along? Look at all those colorful balloons. I see Pip's favorite color, blue. Leo's favorite is yellow. And there's Puggy with a red one. It's a slumber party. Pip had an amazing dream. Now she can't wait for bedtime. Hello, Pip. Hello, Leo. Hello, Puggy. Something exciting is happening over in Treehouse City. Should we go see what it is? All right, let's go. Whoa! This is a big construction site. What do you think they're building? Could it be a place where we could see musicians sing and play music? Maybe it's a stadium where we can watch some of our favorite sports. Or it's a museum where you can play with all the bones. It's a big, beautiful skyscraper shaped like a big, beautiful tree. And look, there's a park, too. Let's go up to the top. What a beautiful view. Now this is the perfect place for everyone in Treehouse City to enjoy.
Today is a good day to relax and do some gardening. It is also a good day to run around and play.
Careful!
Sorry! Whoa! That's it!
Everyone loves to run around and play.
Oh! Watch out! The flowers! Oh.
Oh, sorry, that was an accident.
Oh, don't worry. Accidents happen. Accidents like this.
He got you, Mummy.
Oh, you've done it now.
Oh dear. Then the seeds. Eh? And don't forget the water. Oh, what is that? What are you two doing up there? Ah, let's not be hasty. It was just a joke. Oh dear.
Mummy and Daddy Pig's relaxing gardening day has turned into family splash fun.
George!
Gotcha!
Watch out, George! We've got you.
Nowhere to run, Daddy Pig.
Whoa!
Everyone has run out of water. The garden has turned into a wild garden.
Maybe it's time to put everything back together.
Perfect. And at least we gave the flowers a good watering.
Everyone loves playing and gardening at the treehouse, and everyone can't wait to dry off.
Look, Ben, Doggy, and Hopsy are all having fun playing catch. Oh, Ray and Kitty are here too. It looks like they'd rather play tag. It seems everyone enjoys that idea. Well, not everyone. Ben feels quite upset. I wonder what Ray's thinking. Ray is sad that Ben feels upset. She wants to find out what's wrong. Let's go ask him. Sometimes when we're playing with our friends and they leave to do something else, we feel left out. But don't worry, if you ever get sad, just tell your friends how you feel. They'll do all they can to cheer you up. Your real friends will never leave you. Since Ray likes tag, and Ben likes to play catch, how about a game of disc tag? The one with the disc is it. It took Ben a little while to share his feelings, but as soon as he did, he started feeling better.
Ready or not, here I come.
Today, Peppa and her family are playing hide and seek. Daddy Pig isn't sure where to hide.
Oops.
Come out wherever you are. Gotcha! Now let's find everyone else.
We can see you, Daddy.
Oh dear.
Now only George is left to find. But George is a very good hider.
You You spilled the seeds.
Not to worry, they won't be wasted.
We can plant and water them and they'll grow into a big flower.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family dig a hole
Phew!
and plant the seeds.
Ta-da!
Then they water them
Yes, the water will help the flower grow big and tall.
and cover them with soil.
All done.
And now, we wait.
Let's keep playing hide and seek while we wait.
Well,
I am a bit of an expert at seeking.
Hooray!
Ready or not, here I come.
Peppa and her family love playing hide and seek.
Oh!
They hide up high
Oops. Sorry, Mr. Bird.
down low,
Found you!
and even make their own hiding places. It's now George's turn to be the seeker and find everyone.
well done, George.
And only Daddy Pig is left to find.
I can't see Daddy Pig anywhere.
Gave myself away there, didn't I?
Look at the sunflower.
We played for so long it had time to grow. What do you think, George? George?
Everyone loves playing in the garden, and everyone loves planting things too.